Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Nuevamente vamos a seguir con nuestra clase de Phonics en nuestra plataforma de Google Classroom. Vamos a ver ahora el review de las letras C, R y W. Y vamos a comenzar la letra P. Esto es de la page 127 through page 134. Comencemos. Bienvenidos. Okay, page 127. First, we have wagon. W, wagon. Next, we have a ring. Here, we have a ring. Continue with cane, watermelon, rope, carrot. This is review from letters C, R, and W. We have coat, robot, rake, watch, wig, comb. And now we start with letter P. P. In the top, we have, you see this yellow arrow, we have a pig. And here we have some poodles. Review. Pig, poodle. This is pig, the top, pig. At the bottom, we have pencil. Here, we have pig. Si usted quiere, puede hacer esta plana. Si no, puede dejarla, ¿ok? And now, we continue with letter P. But this page, you have to color the picture that beginning with letter P. Here we have a pin, pillow, pie, pen. One more time. Pin, pillow, pie, pen. Next page, you have to color two, but the same thing. Picture the color of the picture that beginning with letter P. Here we have pen, penny, pretzel, popcorn, pot, pin. All the pictures that have a star, a yellow star, okay? And then complete the row. Here, you have to write capital letter and small letter, but the picture that beginning with letter P. We have pen, popcorn, pan, penny, pen, pen. Popcorn. Popcorn. Pen. Pen. Aquí, here, penny. And the last page we have, just complete the word. Complete the word. Penny. Penny. Here, pony. Pony. Here, poopy. Poopy. Pin. Pin. This is the last page. And now don't forget that practice letter P. No se olvide de practicar la letra P. Recuerda que muy pronto nos volveremos a ver. Te extraño y te amo. I love you. Nos vemos en la próxima clase. Bye.